Hi, my name is Judy and welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to import data into your Power Query editor, or how to get data into your Power Query editor for data cleaning. If today is your first time on my channel, I am super happy to have you on board. If you're already my subscriber, I am happy also to have you on board. And if you've not subscribed already, please do consider subscribing and liking this video just to encourage me. Thank you. So let's get into it, right? So first, you're going to go into data, then get data. From get data, your data source can be any of these. My data is a CSV file, so I just move from file to CSV. I click on CSV. It takes me to my data part where my data is on my system, and I just double click on it, and it's currently loading, and then it brings up this interface right there, which gives me my file origin, my delimiter. Delimiter means what your data was separated in. So my data is separated with semicolons, so that's why I have semicolons here. When you look below, you have load, transform data, and cancel. So for you to access your Power Query editor, you need to use transform data. Transform data will take you into the Power Query editor. Meanwhile, when you click on load will only load the data into Excel directly. So we're going to use transform data. You click on it and we'll wait for it to load. So now we are on Power Query editor and our data is ready for data cleaning. Hope this short video was helpful. Please like this video, subscribe and share, and see you in my next video. Bye. I'm just having fun.